Hey guys, we're going to learn a new teen number today. So first let's go over some of the ones we've already looked at. The number 10, straight line down, then around with a grin. That's the way you make a 10. Write a 1 and then another. This one looks just like his brother. 12 is simply a 1 and a 2. Write the numbers and say choo-choo. Here's our new one. For 13, write a 1 and a 3. Once you're done, shout yippee. So a 1 and a 3 is the number 13. Let's look. 1 and a 3 is 13. This is how 13 looks when it is written. This is the word 13. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, or 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so here we have a tens frame, two tens frames. One is filled all the way up, so that's 10 dots. 11, 12, 13. Let's start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. Good, guys. So remember, for 13, write a 1 and a 3. Once you are done, shout yippee. Bye, friends.